What up, geekers and tweakers? Welcome back to another trade recap. So, firstly, I want to show you this because this is fucking insane. If you go on the weekly time frame, we take our pool. This is on ES 16.8%, and on Nasdaq we have fucking 28% move in 6 weeks, which is insane, bro. So yeah, let's go over my trade. So firstly, we see we are hella bullish. So let's go on the hourly. We have a whole lot of bearish bearish liquidity. So we have 1 hour, we have London, we have 4 hour fair value gaps, we have hourly lows, more session lows, and we also have the New York high, which was an all-time high, which we broke past pre-market and created the London and all-time high. If we go on the 5 minute, so this is the London high right after sweeping New York and previous all-time highs. And for me, my idea of the trade was come down, take out London, maybe come into this 4 hour gap, which is barely existent. Which, wait, this should not be 1 hour gap. Fuck. Well, it's a super small gap, so yeah, no, my idea was just take out this liquidity right here, also maybe London lows, and then continue higher, taking out London highs, and maybe go a bit higher, but not this fucking high. So yeah, as we can see, we have an SMT right here. Nasdaq did not come down and take out any of these highs. However, um, ES did this and also came into this 1 hour gap, which for me was already enough to go higher. So what happens almost when market opens? It was super early this trade, but as you guys can see, we have the S&T 1 hour fair value gap hit. We come up, inverse this gap right here, so we're in bullish order flow, mark out equilibrium, we tap into equilibrium. Now on the 1 minute, if you enter off of break of structure, you could have only entered right here, and this would have made the RR a whole lot of shit. So I took the trade after breaking above the 79% extension, which is also a change of order flow on the 1 minute. So I entered nicely, also a bit under this, so I had a great entry, and I targeted, targeting these London highs, and I also targeted, I wanted to target the 27% extension from the Fibonacci, but I took partials at this gap right here. I took partials right here and had one contract left, and I closed my position right here because this was just $20 more, so didn't want to risk $80 just to gain 20 more, so I just closed it right here. Yeah, I risked, I don't know, let's see, I risked 14 contracts across both accounts, made 1,400, had 3 take profits. Yeah, nice RR, made me down on the week only about 400, and if you don't count this shit, because this blew my account, so if we ignore this, it's actually profitable week. But yeah, Very nice trade here. Also, you can see this shit on the trade C. They don't show this. Yeah, those are my 4 accounts. Yeah, really nice trade. But on Nasdaq, we really continued higher. I mean, we also almost swept out London highs while market is opening, while Nasdaq, while ES was not going up. Yeah. See you guys. Bye bye.